in the fucking HOV lane.
I don't even know why they moved over there.
Well, they can't. He's got us all stopped right up there.
Even on the other side, there's nobody coming.
Oh, yeah. Fuck.
Somebody's drifting.
Oh, this fucking sucks.
I gotta pee. Maybe they'll let us go in a second.
I don't know. No, don't get out.
No, we can. He's.
Well, I mean, he's actually doing us a favor. I respect it. For that. Seriously, you don't need to block off the whole fucking highway. Just get on about
Oh, he's going to tell them.
Well, no, it is a safety issue because if that tank hasn't ruptured,
It's about to.
that was not the tank going up. That was the front end of the car that I saw go pop. It wasn't
Was it
the
the gas tank?
No.
If the gas tank ruptures,
That's
we're,
why he has everybody stopped.
But
I mean,
we're still in the way of it.
Now. It's only
No,
nothing.
no, we're not,
Plastic,
baby.
fire
We've got a
burns,
big
some
ass
fucking
pile out
thing.
there.
I think that was the gasoline. Blew up the fucking engine while it fucking went up in flames and shit.
I don't know.
Other dude.
It's gotta be.
Because it was something on the front end of it. I saw it plain as day. It was just... But it definitely wasn't the gas tank.
And you gotta think how many other people are crashing behind us.
Hopefully none. Yeah.
Look at all that smoke. You don't even want to inhale that. Look at all that.
Hold up. Police is making a call.
Well, he's probably calling more people in.
See what it says.
Like the fire department or something.
Probably got told to put out them flares.
Nah, them flares just burn out. No, they're still kind of going. That guy's just in your way.
Black smoke means it's still on fire.
Oh yeah,
So why
it's
cars
fully
moving?
engulfed, baby.
We probably this just had happened.
Why are they moving the left lane? Now everybody's gonna be in the left lane.
Because they're
Fuck,
letting
I'm
these
getting the left
people
lane
go.
right now. You put on your blinker.
I can't, dude. Everything's moving.
Slowly, kind of.
I wish we were in a bike. We could just
Most-
carry on about our day.
I mean, you could, but that would probably...
just risk it. You know what I'm saying? It's better than fucking waiting for something else to explode.
Yeah.
Believe me, I'm doing you a favor. Like, I'll protect this car.
What they're doing is they're probably making everyone exit back there and then giving us,
Well, they
Exit.
tried.
you know what I mean, like blocking off the highway.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what kind of car blew up. I'm guaranteeing you, it's a Toyota. The Fords have been known for the fucking plastic
Oh,
drain
Mustang go.
plug.
Mustang go.
So stupid. I bet you they're gonna get all fucking